Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations could create massive, intricate designs that can only be fully appreciated from the sky? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of the Nazca Lines, a series of enigmatic geoglyphs etched into the desert of Peru. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey through time and space to explore the various theories surrounding their purpose and creation. The Nazca Lines are located in the arid coastal plain of southern Peru, stretching over 500 square kilometers. These incredible geoglyphs, created between 500 BCE and 500 CEE, consist of over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 animal and plant designs. The most famous of these figures include the hummingbird, the monkey, and the spider. The Nazca Lines were first discovered in the 1920 when commercial pilots noticed the mysterious shapes while flying over the region. Since then, researchers and archaeologists have been trying to uncover the secrets behind these enigmatic lines. The Nazca culture. Before diving into the theories surrounding the Nazca Lines, it's essential to understand the people who created them. The Nazca civilization thrived in the region from around 100 BCE to 800 CE. They were skilled in pottery, textiles, and agriculture, developing advanced irrigation systems to cultivate the arid land. The Nazca people were also known for their elaborate burial practices, which involved mummifying the deceased and placing them in underground tombs. The creation of the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines were created by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the surface of the Nazca Desert. When the gravel is removed, the light-colored earth underneath is exposed, creating a striking contrast. The lines were made by removing the top layer of rocks and piling them along the sides of the lines, creating a shallow trench. The figures, known as biomorphs, were created using a similar technique, with the outlines formed by shallow trenches and the interior filled with stones. Now, let's dive into some of the most fascinating theories about the purpose of these enigmatic lines. 1. Astronomical calendar. Some researchers believe that the Nazca Lines served as an astronomical calendar, with the lines and figures representing constellations, solstices, and other celestial events. The ancient Nazca people may have used these lines to track time and plan agricultural activities. This theory is supported by the fact that some of the lines align with the rising and setting of the sun, moon, and certain stars during specific times of the year. Additionally, the biomorphs may represent constellations or other celestial phenomena that were significant to the Nazca people. 2. Water and fertility rituals. Another theory suggests that the Nazca Lines were created as part of water and fertility rituals. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, and the ancient Nazca people relied heavily on the scarce water resources. The lines and figures could have been a way to pay tribute to their deities, asking for rain in fertile lands. This theory is supported by the presence of underground water channels in the region, as well as the fact that many of the biomorphs depict animals and plants associated with water and fertility. 3. Extraterrestrial connection. Some believe that the Nazca Lines were created by or for extraterrestrial beings. Proponents of this theory argue that the sheer size and complexity of the designs, which can only be fully appreciated from the air, indicate a connection with otherworldly visitors. They suggest that the lines may have been used as landing strips or navigational aids for alien spacecraft. While this theory has gained popularity in popular culture, there is little scientific evidence to support it. 4. Ancient runways. Another intriguing theory is that the Nazca Lines were ancient runways for some sort of flying machines. While this idea may seem far-fetched, it's worth noting that the long, straight lines stretch for kilometers and are remarkably uniform in width. Some researchers have suggested that the Nazca people may have developed a primitive form of flight, using hot air balloons or gliders to take to the skies. However, there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, and it remains purely speculative. 5. Artistic expression. Finally, some researchers propose that the Nazca Lines were simply a form of artistic expression by the ancient Nazca people. The lines and figures could have been a way for them to showcase their creativity and connect with their environment. This theory is supported by the fact that the Nazca people were known for their artistic skills, as evidenced by their pottery and textiles. Additionally, the lines and figures may have served as a form of cultural identity, with each group or tribe creating their own unique designs. The preservation of the Nazca lines. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Nazca lines is their incredible preservation over the centuries. The arid climate and isolation of the region have helped to protect the lines from erosion and human interference. However, in recent years, the Nazca lines have faced increasing threats from tourism, mining, and climate change. Efforts are being made to preserve and protect these ancient wonders, including the establishment of the Nazca lines as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994. Regardless of the true purpose behind the Nazca lines, one thing is certain: they are a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Nazca civilization. These enigmatic geoglyphs continue to captivate and inspire us as we strive to unlock the secrets of our past. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our world and the wonders of human history.